Hello students, in last video we had seen the information about the sun, moon and the earth. Now we will see the eclipse. First we will understand what is the meaning of eclipse. Eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when one celestial object moves in to the shadow of another. There are two types of eclipse which can be observed from the earth. One is solar eclipse and second is lunar eclipse. First, we will see the information about the solar eclipse. In the solar eclipse, the moon is between the sun and the earth. Here, you can see the moon is in the center and the moon's shadow which falls on the earth. But at such a time, there three celestial objects means the sun, moon and the earth are on the same plane and fall in one line. Students, we have seen in this solar eclipse the moon's shadow falls on the earth. There are two types of shadows of solar eclipse. First is total solar eclipse. The central portion of the shadow is darker and the periphery is light. Only because of the dark shadow on the earth, the sun becomes completely invisible. This condition is known as total solar eclipse. In a total solar eclipse, the sun, moon, and earth are perfectly in a straight line. You can see here we are not able to see the earth only because of moon's shadow. Now, the second type of shadow called partial solar eclipse, an eclipse of the sun in which the moon does not completely hide the solar surface so that some direct rays of sunlight reach the observer. Here we can see some part of the sun from the earth because of it is not completely hidden by the moon. So this is partial solar eclipse. This was the information of solar eclipse. Now we will see the information of lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the moon enters the shadow of the earth. Here, students, you see the earth is between the sun and the moon. An earth shadow comes on the moon and all three of them in one line. In a lunar eclipse, the earth's shadow comes on the moon, so shadow is of two types. Total lunar eclipse. In total lunar eclipse covers the moon entirely. Some refracted sunlight passes through the earth atmosphere, giving the moon reddish color. And second shadow is partial lunar eclipse. In this, when the part of the moon enters earth's shadow, you can see it the picture. So students, this is the information of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. I hope you understood this. Thank you.